Most men think low testosterone is just aging. Most women think losing desire is just menopause. And most couples have no idea their sexual health is actually one of the biggest longevity markers they'll ever have. Today, I'm going to break this down very simply because your sex drive, your hormones, your muscle mass are telling you the truth about your health long before your doctor ever will. We were taught something called male menopause. Guess what? It doesn't exist. Men don't lose testosterone because of age. They lose it because of weight gain, inflammation, sleep deprivation, stress, metabolic disease, alcohol, and lifestyle choices. A healthy 80-year-old man still has normal testosterone. The body isn't broken, the habits are. Low testosterone isn't just about libido. It affects everything: your motivation, your muscle mass, insulin sensitivity, energy, mood, bone density, body fat, sleep, sexual performance. And yes, if testosterone is very low, the penis isn't going to work because testosterone actually is a brain hormone, not just a sex hormone. A lot of men don't know this. Your erections are one of the strongest predicators of cardiovascular health. Why? Because the penis requires excellent blood flow. It requires you to be healthy, good nitric oxide, stable hormones, low stress, and strong mental health. If there's anxiety, depression, metabolic disease, or poor circulation, sexual function is one of the first systems to fail. This is why I tell men your penis isn't the problem, it's the warning sign. Now, women get hit hard too. After menopause, their testosterone drops, their adrenals are declining year after year, so of course their libido falls. Of course, sex becomes painful. It's not in their head, it's hormones, stress, atrophy, and blood flow changes. Women don't want sex when stressed. They need stress reduced first, completely opposite of men. Now, here's the big takeaway. Muscle mass is directly tied to libido, erections, and hormone function. Men with more muscle have better erections, stronger libido. Why? Because muscle improves insulin sensitivity, inflammation, mitochondria function, vascular health, and hormone balance. As one expert said, when men gain muscle, erections get better. This is why your longevity starts in the gym. Testosterone is not the same as steroid. Replacing a lower hormone isn't dangerous. The research has debunked that myth. The real dangers come from influencers pushing testosterone on men who don't need it, shutting down natural fertility unintentionally, using synthetic anabolic agents, dosing incorrectly, ignoring sleep, stress, and metabolic health. If you truly have low testosterone, treatment can change your life. If you don't, more isn't better. TRT done correctly is about bringing you back to optimal, not blasting your system. The number one treatment for sexual dysfunction for both men and women is lifestyle, diet, sleep, stress reduction, resistance training, cardio, and body fat reduction. A 10% drop in weight can drop and improve erections as much as medication. Walking 150 to 300 minutes per week can reduce ED by up to 40%. So think about that. You don't need a pill, you need a plan. If you're struggling with energy, libido, sleep performance, or fat loss, it's not random. It's your hormones, it's your muscle, it's your longevity signal. I built a full longevity blueprint to help you optimize this: hormones, muscle, sleep, stress, and your entire lifestyle. Comment help below and I'll send it to you. Make sure you subscribe and save and follow for more value.